I want to connect the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband to my iPhone, so I turn on the neckband. But after turning on Bluetooth, the Hoco ES64 Ultra device is not visible on the iPhone. If the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband device is not visible on the iPhone, let's see how to solve it. First, make sure that your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, then charge it first. Keep charging the neckband for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the neckband is charged, try connecting it to the phone. If Hoco ES64 Ultra still does not appear, follow the second method. Turn off the power switch for 5 to 10 seconds. Turn it back on after 5 to 10 seconds. Hoco ES64 Ultra is now visible on the iPhone. Now connect the neckband to the phone. Finally, the Hoco ES64 Ultra is now connected to the iPhone.